Hi, my name's Scott Ryers with MarineMax here at Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2023 MasterCraft XT23. I'm going to start at the bow of the boat. Because this is a 23-foot boat, it has the traditional V-nose bow. We have the two Klish speakers up front, and with the coloring of this boat, we did the blue with cloud gray and black as the third detail, and blue stitching. Right here you have anchor storage locker under there, and then both these seats come up and you have storage underneath those. I'm going to spin you around. Walking through, we have the pass-through. We have the air down door that closes with the windshield to keep the air out. Built-in trash can right here. Coming down the port side of the boat, glove box, flip up seat for storage underneath, long bench seat with storage. 2023 boats now have the extra speaker in the cockpit. The phone holders there. Nice curved back for ergonomics to sit on. This has the rear flip seat, new in 2023. You have the new walkthrough, so you can step there, still have the hidden handle with a pop-up ski tow bar, all hidden. Comes out, and a true walkthrough in the back. This boat does have the transom loungers, so you can pop the seat rest up, and I'll show you that, and seat out. Coming through, and then over to the cockpit. This has the 7-inch screen, phone charger, the other new speaker up there, and this boat does have your new Surfstar system, and we put the Decadence flooring in this boat. Flip down mirror. This boat is equipped with the Z8 easy folding down tower with two 8.0 Klish speakers. Because this is the advanced audio, you have the subwoofer and the tower speakers. It's got the 6.0 liter, 380 horsepower motor. And now I'm going to walk through the boat and show you the nice step down through onto the fiberglass decking. And here is the rear flip seat. Comes out, you can sit back there and hang out or fold it back away. And I'm going to hop down here and show you the outside of the boat. Did the blue with the black mica flake with the matching blue trailer. All right, well, you can come on out to our MarineMax store, see this boat with many of our other MasterCrafts we have in inventory, or it'll be online at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.